Have you ever heard about the Andromeda Galaxy? Let me take you on a journey. Just over 2 million light-years away from Earth lies the Andromeda Galaxy. It's our closest spiral galaxy neighbor, and it's a sight to behold. It's massive, about 1.5 times larger than our own Milky Way. Its spiral shape, much like our own galaxy, is a cosmic whirlpool of stars, gas, and dust, all bound together by gravity. Andromeda is a bustling cosmic city with approximately 1 trillion stars. Think about that for a moment. That's more than twice the number of stars in the Milky Way. With so many stars, the potential for life-bearing planets is intriguing to say the least. It's a tantalizing thought that somewhere out there, in the vast expanse of Andromeda, life as we know it, or perhaps life as we can't even imagine, might exist. But Andromeda also holds a grand cosmic spectacle in its future. Predictions based on precise measurements suggest that in about 4 billion years, a titanic event will occur. Andromeda and the Milky Way are hurtling towards each other at about 70 miles per second. They are set to collide and merge, creating a whole new galaxy. This event, known as the Andromeda Milky Way collision, is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. Despite the inevitable collision, there's no need for alarm. The vast distances between stars mean that it's highly unlikely any two stars will actually hit each other. Instead, this cosmic dance will create new structures, birthing an entirely new galaxy from the remnants of the old. As we've learned, Andromeda is not just a distant light in the sky, but a galaxy full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. It's a testament to the wonders of the universe, a symbol of the vastness of space, and a reminder of our own place within this cosmic tapestry. Now that we've uncovered some of Andromeda's secrets, what does the future hold for our celestial neighbor? Well, the future of Andromeda is as fascinating as its present. In an event that sounds more like science fiction than fact, our galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is on a collision course with our own Milky Way. Now, before you start packing your cosmic suitcase, let's clear up a few things. This event won't happen for another 4 billion years or so, and despite the term collision, this event won't be a cataclysmic clash of stars. Why, you ask? Well, the vast distances between stars mean that they are unlikely to impact each other directly. Instead, the gravitational forces of these two galaxies will gradually merge them together. So what will this mean for our night sky? As Andromeda approaches, it will grow larger and brighter in our sky until it dominates the view. As the galaxies merge, our night sky will be transformed, filled with new stars and cosmic scenery. The result? A brand new galaxy that some astronomers have affectionately dubbed Milkomeda. Imagine a night sky so drastically different from what we see today. It's a cosmic ballet on a scale we can barely comprehend, and it's all happening right above our heads. So, while Andromeda's future is full of dramatic changes, for now, we can enjoy its beauty from our unique vantage point here on Earth. Isn't it incredible to realize that we're just a small part of a much larger, ever-changing universe? Imagine the secrets still hidden within the stars, waiting for us to uncover. We encourage you to delve deeper into the cosmos, to gaze upon the night sky with a telescope and unravel the mysteries of galaxies like Andromeda. This is a journey of lifelong learning, a quest to understand our place in the cosmos. Remember, each star in the sky holds a story waiting to be told. So keep looking up and keep asking questions. Before we wrap up our cosmic journey for today, remember, the universe is vast, filled with mysteries yet to be unraveled. Share this video. Let's spread the wonder of space together. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting space journeys.